Welcome back. I tried to film the intro for this video too many times, so I'm just doing it on here, okay? Welcome to my moving vlog. Finally moving to London. Thank God the day is here. I was so ready to leave Leeds. I will say it has been such an emotional time recently leaving. It's been such an end of an era. As you all know, I've lived in Leeds for like 5 years, since 2017, and I finally have left and come back to my favourite city. But I'm moving in with one of my best friends, Naz. I literally couldn't have done this without her. We're so thankful that we're moving in together, and it really feels like a part of Leeds is coming with me, so I'm so happy. But this moving vlog, I'm taking you guys right into it, no messing about. Starting from when I was packing straight to where we are now, already moved into the flat. Then part 2 is going to be more decorating. I'll probably end with like a room tour, that type of thing, like getting all the bits ready for the flat. So I hope you enjoy. And without further ado, let's go back to the end of June, aka the start of this whole process. The middle of the madness. It's Monday, I'm on my lunch break and I've got to be packed by tomorrow evening, which, you know what, I think is going to be okay as long as I'm just really proactive with it and I'm packing at every possible moment. I think I should be okay. We're going out tonight, which is why I feel stressed because I don't have tonight after work. And I've also got to get a video edited and sent off for approval, basically today or tomorrow morning. So there's just a lot going on. I also have been using these E4T bags to try and make everything organised. They sent me a load of their stuff and they sent them in these amazing like star Ziploc bags, and there was no way I was going to throw those away. So I've been doing it for like, what's this, bikinis and hats. I've got underwear, and I've just done one for all of my bathroom stuff as well. Now my priority is getting all my mugs and stuff wrapped up to try and save space. This is like my Depop bag, right, with like all my reused parcel things. I think I'm just gonna wrap all of the mugs in this because this was gonna go into this box. Ew, that had water in it. Yeah. Oh God. No. The way I taped that up was an ick, but it had to be done. I've just labelled it. This is actually the first box that's officially done, and I think I've done all the suitcases, this box, and like one bag. 2 bags are like fully done. I still feel like my room is a mess. It's actually mayhem. I've got a few more fragile bits to put away. I think I'm just gonna put them all in this bag because it's quite a sturdy bag, and wrap them in all the rest of my bedding. Then the next thing I want to tackle is all the decorations. I've got loads of frames up everywhere and art around the place that I need to put in my art folder. And then I also need to tackle this drawer, which has got all of my DIY clothes in, like all my fabrics. Like that is full to the brim, and there's just no way I can bring all of that back with me. That's just so silly. So I need to go through it all and then work out if there's like a fabric donation bank near me, a clothes bank near me. This is my portfolio with all my art, posters, everything like that. This in itself is full, so I'm sure there's stuff I can definitely give to friends or recycle in here, so I need to go through this anyway. And then we're going to take out all the art from all my frames and put it all in here so that when I move to London I completely start fresh and I can design brand new like collages in the frames. And I'm sure in part 2 of this moving vlog I will take you guys through that. Okay, all of this and all of that are things that I might want to wear in London on the weekend, aka my birthday weekend. So I'm trying to pack them all in a separate duffel in case moving is wild and I don't really like unpack everything. Then I basically am planning my outfits in advance, so there's no stress. But that is way too many clothes to fit in a duffel, and I'm obviously not going to wear all of them, so I need to basically now sit and plan my birthday outfits. And my skin really ain't that good. Let's just pop this back a little bit. Apart from that, I think it's just odd little random bits to slot into that final box that I've just done. Yeah. Pretty much done. I've just got some washing up to do, and I need to pack away my mirror. I want to protect the sides of it, so I've got like a dirty sheet and stuff that I can put with it. We leave tomorrow after I finish work, so I think I'm going to save all the cleaning that needs to be still done, defrosting the fridge, hoovering my room. I'm going to do that tonight when I'm back from a barbecue, and then a bit of tomorrow as well. So yeah, I'm actually feeling really proud of myself. Like, I'm not stressed at all, and every time I move I get so stressed, and it's been really chill. So obviously I still need my bedding, which makes me feel like I'm not moving because this just looks normal to me. Gonna attach that on my mirror. All of that and that I'm keeping with me tonight. This is all empty, I just need to give it a clean tomorrow. Same with this sort of stuff. And look at this, Eloise's stuff is all packed up and gone. This is crazy. And this is all my things. Do I have a lot of stuff? I don't really know, you tell me. I feel like it is a lot of things. This is everything. Bathrooms all clear as well. Everything is done and packed up. Eloise is left. I'm here alone. I'm staying tonight here alone, which is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't stayed here alone in a while, and I feel like it's weird just to be here alone where there'll be nothing in the flat, because we're gonna package all my stuff up like in an hour or something, and I'm gonna be staying here with nothing in the flat, which just feels kind of weird. But it's a full moon tonight, which I feel like is very intense and symbolic, that that's like basically my last night here, kind of like my moving day, whatever. And it kind of makes sense why last night I just could not sleep. My brain was wired even though I was exhausted. I felt so sentimental. I was really running through so many memories of my time here at Leeds. I was going through my camera roll from first year looking...
I'm sorry, what is this? This is a glow down. You're supposed to glow up as you get older. Can we bring 2017 Susie back, please?
Back at all these memories from my first few years at uni, and like just gave me the best energy. And I've just been through a lot here, like so much growth, so many amazing opportunities, so many like big milestones that in the future I'll remember, and they all happened here. Like, this city is just so much history for me, and I feel really emotional, and I think I'm gonna cry tonight, either in bed alone, which is very sad, or I'm gonna cry at the barbecue because I'm going around to my future housemate's house. We're having a barbecue, all of us, which is gonna be the best send off. Like, I'm so happy that I'm not gonna be alone tonight. I was a bit worried about that because when I sleep tonight, I'm gonna have nothing in here because everything's gonna be in the moving van, which is just gonna feel weird and creepy and kind of lonely and depressing. So I really hope I tie myself out. I'm literally like saying that like I'm 5 years old. Like, I hope I tie myself out. My future housemate's calling me. I'm putting my stuff in the moving van. I literally cannot wait. This is so exciting. Oh wait, does this mean they're coming to get me for the barbecue? Do I need to get changed? I'm looking a bit disheveled. I need to get myself socially acceptable looking. that. Smoking. I washed my hair this morning, so I'm trying to like air dry it before we drive. This is what I'm wearing today. This is my moving outfit. This top actually arrived yesterday. Perfect timing. It's from CU Studios. She very kindly sent it to me and it's got a little screen printed strawberry. It's so thick as well. I don't need a bra with it and it just feels so comfy. It's literally the perfect moving top, and the fact it came the day before I moved is perfect timing. And my little charity shop cargos and my Crocs, because comfort is key. It's just gone 3. Naz and Yaku are coming to pick me up at 4:30 when I finish work, so I'm just doing a little break now to hoover and finish some stuff off. Gonna go back to work after. I need to put the bin out. Trying to think of anything last minute I need to do, drop off my keys, and then we're moving to London. Crazy. It really looks like a prison cell.
Oh yeah, how are you feeling right now?
Good.
Good.
I like to move it. Today was basically Pilates class.
You call that Pilates? I think it's high intensity. It's HIIT. Today was HIIT.
Some pretty effective work though, I must admit.
Yeah.
Look,
what time did
this
we
is
arrive
me
there?
wiping my sweat as I was working.
Room time.
Just bed, no bed, and then whoever wants to go first can go first.
What?
I thought you were just going to put them behind yourself and we're just going to be like, right hand.
Or you give it to us, then we don't have to choose.
True.
That would be easier.
You decide our destiny.
Please. No bed.
I got bed.
I'm still living in mayhem, guys. I don't know where I last really spoke to you, but this is what my room currently looks like. We picked the rooms out of a hat. As you guys saw, I got this one. It's like an awkward shape because it's super long and there's only a few places that you can put the bed. And this is what the room design was like before, and I kind of initially wanted my bed over there so I'd have so much room for YouTube filming, because I've just got to base everything in my room around how I'm getting you guys the good content. And obviously I mainly do fashion content, so I need space in my room to do a full body shot, so that's where I wanted to put my bed. Then Naz gave me the amazing suggestion of breaking up the room. So right now I've got a dressing area which is in front of me with my chest drawers and my wardrobe. Then I've got my bed, and then I've got, I guess, filming area. I've still got loads of stuff that I need to take back to my mum's house. So that's what all of those black suitcases are back there. I need to take them to my mum's this week. Also, bed frame. We obviously arrived late at night. We finished unpacking the van at midnight, got in all so tired from so much travel, and there was only one bed, which we didn't realise. It was just a lot of miscommunication with us with the landlord, with moving furniture around in the different rooms and stuff, so I did sleep on the bare wooden floor that night. It was okay. I think I was so tired that I just like worked through the back pain, and then luckily we got a mattress from the landlord the next day. So I've been sleeping on this on the floor, and I've been trying to think about what bed frame I want, and I found this one from Wayfair. I ordered it last night. It should be coming tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. I cannot wait to put stuff under there. There's just little things that need to go under the bed that would just make the room like feel more organised. I hope it is alright. I didn't actually measure it, which I know is terrible, like really stupid. I just couldn't be bothered. I don't even have a measuring tape. So that's my excuse. I really hope this is a double and not like a European double or something. Like, I just hope it fits. For me, I hate seeing boxes and bags. Like, I just want to unpack stuff. I love organising, finding places for things, and I literally love unpacking so much. I'm just like itching to get my room sorted.
And join us next week to answer the all-important question, will the bed fit? As well as homeware hauls, decorating the flat, and so much more.